In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the logo size for mobile only in Shopify. Adjusting the logo size specifically for mobile devices can greatly enhance your store's aesthetic and user experience. Let's dive into the steps. First, we begin by accessing your Shopify store. Navigate to your store's homepage on Shopify. This is your starting point where you have a view of your store's current status, sales data, and settings that are crucial for managing your online business. Next, look to the left-hand side where you'll see the option labeled Online Store. Give that a click. This will take you to a new page where you can manage your store's theme. The theme dictates the design and layout of your online shop, and here's where you make those crucial aesthetic tweaks. Now that you're in the theme section, the next step is to select the Customize option. This will open up the theme editor, a tool that allows you to make live changes and see how they affect the look of your storefront. Take a moment to let the editor load, as it might take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once inside, you will want to focus on the header section, where your logo is usually located. Click on Highlight. It's often represented as a heading option or a prominent part of the edit view since it controls many top-of-the-page features. Within the highlight settings, you'll notice an option labeled Logo. Select this because it will allow you to modify all things logo-related, from image swapping to size adjustments. In the Shopify theme editor, the Logo section is your go-to place for any tweaks you need to make in this area. After selecting Logo, click on the section again. This action should bring up additional options specific to how your logo is displayed, especially size settings that are pertinent to what we want to achieve here. Now, pay close attention to the width settings within the logo options. This area is crucial as it controls how wide your logo appears, and it's here you'll make adjustments to tailor your logo's appearance on mobile devices. You have the flexibility to experiment with different widths to find what best suits your store's look on mobile. It's worth pointing out that you can do these steps directly on a mobile device if you prefer, making it even more convenient to visualize the changes as you go along. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, be sure to save your changes. Preview the modifications to confirm everything appears beautifully on mobile as planned. Remember, altering the logo's size specifically for mobile can lead to a more welcoming and functional site for your customers, enhancing both their experience and your shop's success. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you've effectively adjusted the logo size for mobile devices in your Shopify store. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.